What's up guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use credit balance on Temu. Alright, as you can see, I am currently on the Temu homepage, and as you can see, there's a list of a lot of items here on this website, or you could add it into your cart. Okay, now you're going to head over here in the top. I'm going to go to my cart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click it. And as you can see, I already have two things inside of my cart right now. And to get to this page, you have to add your shipping details. So yeah, make sure your total is $10 and above. Once you click checkout, you're going to go to this page. And in this payment method section, it should be, like you can see, it has a lot of options: PayPal, credit card, pay in 30 days. It should be an option says credit balance. And unfortunately, I don't have any credit balance at the moment, but if you do, that's the section where it should be. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Once again, don't forget to smash that like button, leave a comment, and also don't forget to smash that subscriber button and bell button to be notified whenever I post a video on this channel. Once again, thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial video.